Hi, I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. We are all burnt out and sad. Every day we face cursing, disrespect, and violence. Most teachers leave after only 1 year. What can we do? First of all, don't get bogged down in the way things should be versus the way things are. I think this is a constant pressure on us. We know it shouldn't be this way, but it is. So once we shift there, we can kind of grieve for what we may have experienced in the past or what we thought teaching was going to be. Sometimes you come out of college and you're like, whoa, they didn't tell me this was going to happen. And the second thing is we need to fall in love with our kids again. Yeah, just in the package that they are right now. We just need to fall in love with them again. I know that sounds a little hokey, but when that happens, it changes everything. Perseverance with passion, not perseverance with drudgery. If you could just think of it that way, it's like, I'm going to persevere with passion, not I got to get through this. And it will allow you to open up a different way or a different perception for the audience that we're facing right now. And remember, resiliency isn't about how you got through the day. Resiliency is about how you're going to come back tomorrow and doing it a little bit differently. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.